Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the queue in your Aternos server. You likely encounter a waiting queue because Aternos offers free server hosting, and many players want to connect simultaneously. The direct and supported solution to completely bypass this wait time is by utilizing Aternos Plus, their premium service. It ensures your server starts up immediately, allowing you and your friends to play without any delay. This is the only guaranteed way. Aternos provides free server hosting to a vast global community, supporting hundreds of thousands of players daily. To sustain this service, they must carefully manage their available hardware resources across all active servers. When demand is high, a queue is essential. It ensures that the system remains stable and responsive for everyone. Free servers also automatically stop after several minutes of inactivity, which then frees up resources for others in the queue. Aternos Plus is specifically designed to enhance your gaming experience by completely removing the server queue. With this premium subscription, your server will always start instantly, bypassing any wait times that free users might encounter. Beyond just eliminating the queue, Aternos Plus also provides access to more robust hardware, resulting in significantly smoother gameplay and better overall server performance. It's truly the only guaranteed solution for instant access. To activate Aternos Plus and start enjoying immediate server access, simply visit the official Aternos website. Look for the Aternos Plus section, usually prominent on their homepage, and explore the different subscription plans available. They typically offer various tiers to suit different needs, whether it's for a single server or multiple. Once you select your preferred plan, follow the straightforward and secure payment instructions to complete your membership. It takes just a few moments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.